Hello everyone, welcome to the Perfect Electrical Solution. Today we are going to perform an experiment of capturing the dynamic test of the person using plantar pressure mat distribution. For this we need a software ISRA Pro 9000. In previous experiment we are already discussed about the plantar pressure mat and ISRA Pro 9000 software. So we are clicking on the icon of the software, then enter the login credential. After entering the login credential, we click on the next. Your home page has been open. So for starting experiment, click on the patient, then click on the new patient. All details are mandatory for registered a patient, like name, last name, gender, date of birth, email, contact and occupation. After that, click on the checkbox and then registered. When we clicking on registered, confirmation box has been open. Click on yes, and here you can see the list of registered candidate, and our patient name has been shown in top. Click on the patient name and then click on the STEPP test. And before starting the experiment, we need to make an assessment. A patient having any past history like diabetes, HIV, obesity, cancer, any of them, then click. Otherwise, move to the next section, personal history. In personal history, we need to add weight, height, sitting position, hours per day, how many hours subject may be seated, and last one is your physical activity per week, like walking, running, etc. After that, click on save and then click on confirm yes. So now we are moved to the mat setup. Click on the both check off box, then click on connect, and here your initial setup has been started. Now your mat has been connected. Click on done. After mat setup, click on dynamic test. Here your sample video has been shown how our subject or patient need to walk on the plantar pressure mat. When our patient or subject ready to walk, then we click on add walkway and then instruct our subject to move on the plantar pressure mat. Patient need to complete walkway count in two ways, two parts, forward and backward, walking on the plantar pressure mat. After completing the both walk count, we click on the finish test After finishing walkway, the software process the captured data. After processing the data by software, we come back to gateway. Then we click on evaluation. After that, click on dynamic test. Here you can see when the person or subject walking in front of the camera is this is your anterior view, and this is your posterior view in the front of the camera. Now we are click to the next section, and here you can see gate analysis of walkway 1. If we merge the walkway 2, then we click on the walkway 2 color given on right hand side. Now you can see both of the walkway are shown in single graph at your display. After that, scroll up, and here you can see the detail: number of step detect, number of stride detect, number of foot detect, and the other details are given in the tables. When we generated the report, these all details are shown is here also printed in your results, and the images of the dynamic test has been also included in your report. After report analysis, we click on the next. Here you can see the foot analysis: left foot and right foot. For move further, we click on next, and here you can see pressure transfer tracker. Here only now has open left forefoot, left full foot, left heel foot, right forefoot, right full foot, right heel foot. If we want to the all average in this graph, we can click on average right heel foot, average right full foot, average right forefoot, average left heel foot, average left full foot, average left forefoot. Now you can see the all graph are being merged in single graph, and here is the data has been plotted in the table. After analysis, if we want to add any remark, then click remark, otherwise click on done and then confirm yes. Then we came back to the gateway. Yes, And now we click on report generation. Here your report has been opened. Scroll up the report and see the all details are mentioned. I think in my software having a some issue. Due to this issue in report, pictures of the dynamic analysis has not been printed. Only tables are shown, but most of the software print the images with the table. I think I need to update my software. At the end of the report you can see, click on save, then ok, and after that click on generate pdf. Now your file is successfully saved in your downloads, and then click on back to gateway. Now I move to the download to show your pdf report at a destination where it's saved. Now I'm open this pdf, and here your result has been mentioned.